Hi everybody, hello and welcome. I just wanted to give you a flip through of this, well, it's not really a trifold, it's a fourfold I suppose, flippy floppy little folio. I made one the other day with the Mountainside kit, the purple tartan, and this is another kit from Janie B. It uses the same code and you can get 40% discount. It's just incredible. She's so kind. This one is called Sometimes I Dream of Flowers, and as I go through the book you'll see more of the kit. It's just stunning. Okay, so let's open it up and see what we've got. It's got a string and button closure, just like the other ones had. And that comes off completely. I've applied a little bow here. I had a die cut that was a bow, so I've embossed it with Villainous Potion Distress Glaze. So that's lovely. And the seams this time, instead of doing the card seams like I did on the last one, this time I've used a very, very fine Hessian burlap, whatever you may choose to call it. So let's open it up and have a look. Oh, looky. And it opens up. And it opens up. There we go. Look at that. Okay, so let's start at the beginning then, see where we are. We've got a big side tuck here. And you can see I've used the same Hessian on the inside as a spine protector. This has got a couple of journaling cards in. I've used my faux silk ribbon there, beautiful. And these are hand painted die cuts that I've popped in just to pretty it up even more, and some labels. Then here we've got our little journal. It's a nice size for writing. Look at that paper, it's so pretty. That's the back of the journal, and then here we've got a little well, you'll see in a sec what it is. I've added another one of the watercolour die cuts there and some labels. This says joy, this says enjoy. And a bit of lace down there, and it opens up like that and like that. And we've got some more, couple of watercolour die cuts. That's just cut out a card. It says beauty, and two more here. And then this is just a little notebook. It's just a tear off scrap notebook. Like that. Nice label along there. So that folds up and it ties up. Then moving along, we've got this pocket. It's probably my favourite. I love that page. A couple of coloured die cuts. It says hope along there, and then this gorgeous big tag. Isn't that just so pretty? It's stunning, absolutely stunning. And that fits down into there. And then here we've got some stacked pockets. We've got this one. I really like the way Janie's included this yellow, because it is throughout the pages there are bits of yellow. So she's given us a tag here that's yellow, and I've Goldie colour, and I've picked that up with the ribbon on the top. This beautiful pink one, just gorgeous. And then at the back we've got this one. It's just a stunning kit. And these three stacking pockets. This time I've gusseted them, because last time I felt they were just a bit tight. So for comfort, I've gusseted them. And, you know, the tags go in so much more easily. So I'll be doing that again. So those three go in there, like that. And then we turn over the page, and it's more of this paper, because it's just too nice not to use. And then let's just fold that in. Then we've got stacked pocket, but going the other way. A vertical stacked pocket, I suppose it is. And I've put a couple of watercolour die cuts on there and a label. And we, you know, it's quite stacked, this actually. Little tags, and then in the back we've got a lovely well, journaling card, isn't it? It's a journaling card, yes. And that fits into there like so. And then we've got these two. Aren't these gorgeous? They're so pretty. And they just pop into there like that. Let's just bring that up a little bit so you can see that the bow on the journaling card. There we go. And then we've got these two irises. Who doesn't love irises? So that pops in there. And then another goldy coloured one. I really like that. And that just pops into there like that. And then on the very back, we've got another of these very large journaling cards. And I've used the same device that I used previously. Look at the paper behind it, it's beautiful. Of a pocket here and a belly band there just to stop it flapping around, because it is on the back page, so you don't want it to be loose and flappy. And it just fits into that pocket like so. And there we have it. So there's our journal, our little folio journal. I do hope you like it. This one is already sold, but if you have the urge to have one exactly the same, just contact me and, we'll discuss things and see if you want to proceed or not. I love the Hessian spine covers. They're just gorgeous. I love the hand-coloured dies. All things being equal, it's just so pretty. So pretty. So thanks very much for stopping by to look. I hope you like it. And if you do, don't forget that you can buy the kit from Janie B Journals on Etsy. It's called Sometimes I Dream of Flowers, which I think is so totally appropriate because, yeah, I dream of flowers. I love flowers, as you know. And that's just a little string holder there, and I like to spread mine out, as you know. So there we have it. There we go. As I say, this one's sold, but if you'd like me to make one for you, just message me and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. Bye.